Hi there, welcome back to Save with Crypto. My name is Save with Crypto, and just looking here at the weekly chart for Bitcoin versus USDT. This is the Bitget chart, and the thing is we've got an important announcement tomorrow, which is the interest rate. Everybody is talking about it being an interest rate cut, and okay, I mean everything looks like that is what's going to happen. So the question is that good news going to be priced into the price of Bitcoin and other markets before then or not? I personally think it will be, to be honest, because everyone's expecting Bitcoin to go to the moon tomorrow, and generally I find that when everyone's looking for that, it doesn't happen. Okay, so everyone will be getting in their long positions and the opposite might happen. Now, there are two CME closes. This is the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, and generally what we find is that the price it closes at on a Friday night, the price of Bitcoin returns to it in the next week or so. The longest one this year was 3 weeks. Okay, it took 3 weeks for the price to come back there. And there is currently these two that are hanging about. This one here at 60,110 was from last Friday, okay, so the 13th, and this one here is 53,900, and that's from the Friday before, the 6th of September. Now we did come down quite a bit yesterday, but not that far, and now we are nearer the upper one. So as yesterday was quite a red day, I'm purely guessing that today might be a little bit more green, and we might go up here and just tap that 60,110 level. I mean, it'd be nice if we blasted through it and went up to 70k, but I don't think that's going to happen. So in my mind, the price is either going to go up here, do that, and then tomorrow come down here, or today it will come down here, do that, and then tomorrow go up like that. That, to me, seems like two likely scenarios, and I think this first one is more likely. But what do I know? I'm just guessing. So don't take any notice of what I'm saying. However, these EMAs are pretty cool. I talk about these all the time, and I had this idea from Eric Crown, who I must thank for that. So the cyan is a 9 EMA, the yellow is a 21 EMA, and the green is a 55 EMA. And this is like the weekly time frame. So you can see here what we're looking for is crosses of the green and yellow. And this happened like bearish here, May 2022, and the price came down all the way to pretty much September 23, so September last year, about a year ago. Then they crossed bullish, and they've been like that ever since. So I still think we're nicely in an uptrend, although the fact that this cyan line has come a little bit below the yellow is a little bit worrying, but not too bad. Now, that's the weekly time frame, so that's looking at a very macro perspective. If you look at the 30-minute, this gives you an idea of what's happening like over the week, say. Now, what happened was we had this bearish cross here on Sunday, 9 o'clock in the evening, and the price came down. It's been coming down pretty much since then. It's started to curl up a little bit at the moment, but that yellow is starting to get nearer the green. It's not there, of course, it's still got a long way to go, but let's see what happens. So this next candle closes in 3 minutes, so I'll have a quick look at that, and then I'll come back in about an hour. Okay, so this is looking good. This is like an hour on from the last part of the video, and it looks like the yellow is getting really close to the green. I do wait until they cross, though, before I do anything radical, because I've been caught out before like that. For example, you know, like here when you think, oh no, that yellow's going to cross under the green, and it didn't. It did exactly the opposite, and they do get close sometimes, and you can see down here it just got a bit confusing because we weren't quite sure what was happening, although at that point I did put that green arrow implying that we were going to go up in price, and then we were at 54, and we're now at 58,700, so nearly $5,000 up from then. So of course none of this is financial advice, but if you'd have taken notice of my green arrow there, you would be massively in profit. If you do want to trade this, I'm doing it on Bitget, which is an exchange you can use in the UK. And if you want to use that, you can get up to a $30,000 trading bonus for free by going to savewith.crypto.org/bitget. If you can use ByBit, I do think it's a better exchange, but you're not supposed to use it in the UK. I do because I've got a Palo ID, but I can also get you a $30,000 trading bonus there if you go to savewith.crypto.org/ByBit. And if you're in a country that doesn't allow derivative trading, you can use Blofin, and you can win up to $5,000 there with my link, which is savewithcrypto.org/Blofin. And if you want to know how to set these indicators up, these EMAs, just like I've done here, it's totally free to do. It's a free indicator on TradingView, and there'll be 2 videos linked at the end of this video. One showing you how to set it up, and the second one where I was trying to identify a bottom, and I think I did it quite well. So if you want to take a look at those, I think it will help you in your trading journey. But yeah, this is looking good now. It's looking good for a pull up to 60.1k. After that, I don't know. And you know, with TradingView, on say like the Bitcoin chart, you can always come down to these like stars and stripes flags and see all the stuff that's going on. So today at 1:30 UK time, we got the retail sales month-on-month figures. Then tomorrow at 1:30, building permits information. And then the big one, which is the FOMC stuff, tomorrow night, economic projections at 7 PM UK time. And the really big one is the Fed interest rate decision at 7 PM. Previous figure was 5.5%, forecast is 5.25. So what we're looking for is something lower than 5.25. And that should be a good catalyst for everything moving up, if it's not priced in already. I'll keep you up to date with what I'm doing with various videos and stuff. And the best way to know about that is to be subscribed to the channel and also have the notifications set on all. Any questions, please leave them down in the comments. Do like the video, of course, and above all, tell your friends.